Hello and welcome to a Gamemaker tutorial. Um Today we're going to look at how to make platformer game. So first get this sprite out. Get a sprite out. Um how I did this sprite was I had it subimage 1, then I flipped it and then down, which I'll probably show you in a different tutorial. Then the wall is just plain black. Okay, so I have those two things. Next, what we want to do is create them both as objects. Obby underscore let's start off with the sprite, or the main character. I just named it sprite. I usually name this whatever I named this. Okay, so our first event is a create event. Now this is start moving in direction down, speed of 5. I think it's 5. And yeah, it's 5. Then what we want to do is check if there is a collision. Only solid. And it's not marked relative. Okay. Then if there is a collision, do this. If there's not a collision, then do this. So we have that. Okay, so if there is a collision, change the V speed to 0. If there's not a collision, then just keep moving down. Okay. And then also, you want to, let's look at here, see how I have a falling thing? So this is the sprite falling. That would mean that I need to, make it fall somehow, which means that would change this to this some image. It was 2 tab speed 0. There we go. Now I'm also gonna say that there's a few bad thing, so you're gonna have to, when you make the walls, put it exactly on it, because there's some glitches if you don't. Next thing is we are going to add an event if in collision with the next object that we are creating, which is going to be the obby underscore wall, which is going to be a solid. It's going to be our sprite, and on create, we want it to be stopped. Okay. Now in collision with this, we want it to change the vertical speed to 0 and not relative. And then we also want it to stop moving. This will work if you do that, but this also prevents glitching. Also, next, when at event, let's say they move left, we want it to change this sprite into subimage 1, I think it was it subimage 1? Yeah, it was, no, it's subimage 0. I guess I'll just go back and edit subimage 0. And when added event key released left, then we are going to stop it. Okay, but when it's pressed, we want to make it move to the left. Speed of about 4.5 is actually about the best way. So then added vent, you're just gonna duplicate that when you do right, press and release right, but this time your sprite's gonna be some image 1, speed 0, and we're gonna make it go to the right instead of the left at a speed of 4.5. So then this also prevents glitching if you do this speed. Was it 2 tab 0. Okay, so we have that, and I think if I'm correct, that gives us it falling room. Now what you want to do is take the walls, and this is pretty much the level editor. I'll get onto jumping later. You want to do this so when it hits the wall on the outside it stops also. I don't really care about being neat in this tutorial, as you probably have figured out. I think I can call it. Also, the width needs to be 600 or 1000 width and 600 height. Level 1. Okay, let's just test that out. Oh, I forgot to add the sprite. I'm so stupid. Yeah, I got no sprite in there. Also, you might actually in here want to add some detail to it, which you probably do. Hey, I thought it was supposed to be. There we go. You probably want to do that. So I'm gonna make it green. Maybe some cave things in there. Some cavey things. Then boom, 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 doom, 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 doom. So you may want to add some cavey things in there, which makes it look kind of stupid actually, but who cares? And then again, this you need to put right on top. Now let's test out our game. See if I did everything completely correct. Oh, no, I don't think so. Let's go into this. I have something messed up with the right thing. Right. Oh yeah, I don't have it to stop when released. And we want that. So, that's what I have messed up with it. But when released, we don't want it to go to that. Um, let's see, what do I have for that one? Then I did two. Oh, that's why that came up. Okay. So, as you can see, it's got a nice left and right. You can use that for a ton of things. Now, jumping is the next step. I haven't fully figured out jumping, but here's what I have figured out. Space jump and releasing space jump. So when you press space jump, I want it to... Wait, let me check to see if something else is happening. Which game? I have something. What's happening? I don't know. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, I have a little test game thing. Oh, yeah, there. See, I have a game right now. Oh, debugging it while it's doing this. Pause debugging. Anyway. Oh, I'll play. So, you see, doesn't necessarily work the best for jumping right now, but I'll show you what I have come up with, because right now I can just totally hold down and do this. It's not a very good jump, but I'm entitled to showing you. So, what you want to do, and yes, I had another game running that I'm currently testing all of this stuff on. What you want to do is when space is pressed, we want to check whether there is a relative. We want to check whether there is a collision at x0, y1. Then we want to, when it's released, space, we want it to stop. Oh, and press space, v speed -5. Oh wait, is that... Yes, relative. Relative. Here we go. Here we go, doo-doo, here we go. Okay. If I figure it out a bit better, I'll show you right now. It's like screwed up. I don't know what's happening. I did everything correctly. Oh yeah, I know what I did. We do not want this to stop. We want it down with, what was it? Yeah, 5. Which actually you can slow it down, since most people, they just press it once and it jumps. But if it goes that fast down, then it's kind of annoying. Yeah, see, it's screwed up right now. What was I doing over here? Goes down as a speed of 5. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I'll come up with a better jumping tutorial, and then I'm also gonna show you some other tutorial thingamajiggers. So anyway, that was like 20 minutes of me saying everything. So try this at your home place. Try it. Okay. Goodbye.